Happy Friday from beautiful Bakersfield, California. It's what, 7:30 in the morning, and everybody's getting ready to take their car. Before I get started here today, my car isn't here. I want to tell everybody that this picture will come on the last pass before that car broke on that picture. That picture's available on eBay right now. All proceeds go to getting the car back on the road. We do have it under construction right now. It's going to be a whole different, not a whole different look, but I think everybody will like it. But here we go, first day of the Tri-5 Nationals. Beautiful 55. Ever going to tech? Yeah, it's starting to fill up. They're at the gate. But apparently there's about almost 1,000 cars registered. Nice 56 right there. Tom, if you're coming up, give me a holler when you get close. Yeah, this is what's going on. Our little camp. Like I say, first time here with without a car, but we'll get through it. Beautiful day for this. Beautiful. And this is not the return road, but it's the road to all the action. I'm sure I'll be seeing a lot of cars coming in. It'll be a great day. Great day. It's always a great day when you're doing what you love. And just a reminder, everyone out there, don't forget, go to eBay, look, Google, or go to eBay in the search, right in the last pass, get your picture, help me get the 57 back on the road. Every penny goes toward getting the 57 on the road. Everybody who buys a picture gets mentioned in a video. Thank you all, especially Roger Duncan, for one of the first guys to buy the picture, and we have a few others. I didn't bring their names with me, but I will mention them in the next video. Thank you, everybody. This is the first video for today, and then I'll probably do about a dozen because I don't have a car. I'll probably be doing some interviews, probably checking out some cars in detail. A lot of these cars are mostly from up in this Central California that we don't see in Southern California. And it's really nice to see them. That's why I love coming up here. Eagle Field is about 60-70 miles from here. We race there lots, and we're going to race there again. I cannot go this long without my car. Okay, everybody have a great day. This is the first video. Others will follow. Bye.